Hello? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta get out of here. Oh shit. What's going on? Uh-oh. Oh no. It's red light, red light, red light, red light. Hey! Hello. Are you guys having something going on?
Yeah, we're having fire.
So I went on a Sunday drive to the mountains, and up there is a fire station, and Willy was hot. So I saw they had a water fountain, drinking fountain. So I went to get Willy some water, and the water pressure was so high that when it squirted up in the air and it hit this guy's car. So I go into the fire station to tell him, hey, listen, I'm sorry that I hit your car. You might want to wipe it down. And I go into the fire station and nobody's inside. And the red light goes off the alarm. What are the odds?
Well, the firemen are burning some wood. It's probably a fire hazard. One thing's for sure is right here is a water fountain. And I guess if you're going to be a fireman, you better have some good pressure. Watch this. Oh, shit. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Shoot. Uh-oh. I better tell them. Hello? That must be the dog. Hello? Oh, shit. Oh, no. Oh, no, I gotta get out of here. Oh, shit. What's going on? Uh-oh. Oh, no. It's red light, red light, red light, red light. Hey!
Hello.
Are you guys having something going on?
Yeah, we're having fire. Rush fire, 150s area.
So really quick, I went to go get some water for my dog, and the thing squirted up and got that guy's car. You want to wipe it down?
Okay. Have no time.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
Sorry, I walked in to tell you. Okay, go, get him! Get him!
Yeah.
Go get him! Oh shit! Brush fire, here we go. Oh shit. I accidentally got the car wet when I got water.
Okay.
I'm sorry, you guys. We have no idea where we're going. I literally was driving through the canyon and this off-road gate was open. So I went for it. But I don't know where it goes, and I'm really high up in the mountains. Ooh, it's windy too, boo. Wow, windy. Ooh. Shoot, a little nippy, huh? I don't know if I should turn around or what. You know? Because I don't know where we're going. And Willy, you gotta calm down.